Hello and welcome to the Culinary Exchange. My name is Matthew, and in this video we're making gazpacho. To make our gazpacho, I'm going to start by chopping our vegetables, and the first thing I'm going to do is chop 1 clove of garlic. Next, I'm going to finely dice a small sweet onion, half a bell pepper. I like orange or yellow. You could use red or green. I have half an English cucumber. I'm just going to cut it into small pieces. I have about 10 cherry tomatoes, which I'm going to cut in quarters. 1 ear of fresh corn. I'm going to take the kernels off the cob. And to make our gazpacho extra delicious, I think in addition of fresh fennel is a good idea. I'm just going to take the tops off, and I'm going to save the fronds, and then I want to dice it just like an onion. I have a large bowl, and to it I'm going to add all of our freshly chopped vegetables and our garlic. I'm going to salt the vegetables and give them a stir. I want that salt to help these vegetables exude some of their juices. Now I'm going to add about 5 cups of tomato juice. Give this a stir. This is not one of those gazpachos where you process it up in the blender. I like my gazpacho nice and chunky. To this I'm going to add a tablespoon of red wine vinegar. Give that a mix. I'll cover the gazpacho with some plastic wrap, and I'll put it in the refrigerator for at least an hour, preferably overnight. Then I'll check it for seasoning and serve it up. I have some of our gazpacho. It spent the night in the refrigerator, so all those flavors could melt together. Let's give it a taste. So flavorful. Tomatoey, you can really taste that cucumber, sweetness from those bits of corn, and those little crunches of fennel that bring a little anise flavor to it. A few dashes of hot sauce would work as well too. Delicious. And there you have it. That's how you make gazpacho. Hey, for more great recipes and cooking tips, come visit us at theculinaryexchange.com, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any upcoming videos. I'm Matthew. Thanks for watching.